Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Here is an important public announcement. Together we can overcome this pandemic by keeping everyone safe against COVID-19. If you have any queries regarding COVID-19, reach out to the state helpline at 14410. Stay home, stay safe, break the chain. Issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. Villages falling under Ranikor Community Health Centre in Meghalaya's southwest Khasi Hills district are amongst the most hard-to-reach and inaccessible areas. And while the state has been devising strategies to battle vaccine hesitancy, the incessant monsoon, treacherous terrain, unmotorable roads and steep hills make vaccination harder for not only the residents but more so for the healthcare workers to reach the last mile. But 5 teams of vaccinators from Ranikor CHC, led by Medical Officer in Charge Dr. Patmos Warjari, were ready to battle all odds to reach remote villages to take COVID-19 vaccination to villagers who were unable to come to vaccination sites amidst the ongoing monsoon rains. Arunachal Pradesh registered one more COVID-19 death and 508 new positive cases in the last 24 hours. According to the COVID-19 bulletin released by the Directorate of Health Services, Arunachal Pradesh on Monday evening, the new cases were confirmed out of the 6,570 tests. With the new cases, the state has so far registered a total of 43,328 cases. In the last 24 hours, a total of 458 patients who were earlier infected by COVID-19 recovered from the disease. Mizoram reported 2 more deaths due to COVID-19 infection and a total of 807 new positive cases in the last 24 hours. According to the latest COVID-19 bulletin released by the Department of Information and Public Relations Mizoram, on Tuesday morning of the new cases, 234 were confirmed during RT-PCR tests at Zoram Medical College or ZMC Hospital, while a total of 63 cases were found positive for COVID-19 during TrueNat test. 510 cases were confirmed during Rapid Antigen Test or RAT. With the new cases, the COVID-19 positive tally increased to 28,295 on Tuesday. The Mizoram government has announced launch of mass sample testing drive for COVID-19 in Aizawl Municipal Corporation or AMC area during the week-long total lockdown that came into effect on July 18, the health minister said. During a meeting to review preparedness for the ongoing complete lockdown, Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthang Liana said mass screening drive will be conducted in most COVID-19 affected neighborhoods or pockets within AMC area during the total lockdown. He said the mass testing drive conducted at a private orphanage and de-addiction center in Aizawl last month yielded good results and significantly prevented the disease from spreading further. State spokesman on COVID-19 Pachwao Lalmal Swama said the mass testing drive for COVID-19 will begin on Tuesday. Stepping up its drive against smuggling of contraband items through trains, the Railway Protection Force RPF of Northeast Frontier Railway or NFR recovered various contraband items worth over Rs 1.25 lakh in 4 days. The contraband items were recovered during regular checks and drives at various stations and trains under NF Railway from July 13 to July 16, 2021. The recovered items include foreign liquor, banned drugs and ganja, the NF Railway said in a statement. In one such incident on July 13, 2021, the RPF team and the train escort party conducted a drive in train number 05910 UP of Awadh Assam Express under the supervision of IPF Dibrugarh. Moving on. In their another successful operation against illegal trafficking of drugs, the Darang police was able to seize 29 grams of heroin, a light passenger vehicle. The consignment of heroin was recovered from the possession of the driver of the vehicle at Sipajhar in Darang district. The operation was carried out on Monday afternoon on the basis of secret information. The opposition Naga People's Front or NPF, which is the single largest party with 25 MLAs in Nagaland, decided to join the Nephew Rio-led People's Democratic Alliance or PDA government. The decision of the NPF comes a day after the Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee or NPCC asked all the 60 legislators of the Nagaland Assembly to resign to pave the way for Naga political solution on July 18. According to sources, the NPF took the decision at a meeting in Dimapur on Monday. Assam's detention centres for foreigners are currently lodging 22 children, 20 of them aged below 14 years, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma informed on Monday. In response to a question asked by Congress MLA Sherman Ali Ahmed, Sharma, who holds the Home portfolio, said that 9 convicted women foreigners along with 22 children are presently lodged in 3 detention centres, viz. Kokrajhar, Silchar and Tezpur. Of the 22 children, 2 are above 14 years and 20 below 14 years. Businessman Raj Kundra, the husband of actor Shilpa Shetty, was arrested by the Mumbai police on Monday night in a case related to the production and streaming of porn films. The Mumbai Police Commissioner said in a statement that he appears to be the key conspirator in the case. During an earlier appearance of Kapil Sharma's show with his wife Shilpa Shetty and sister-in-law Shamita Shetty, Raj Kundra was asked about his source of income. Kapil said that Raj is seen playing football with Bollywood stars, going on exotic vacations and taking Shilpa shopping. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublesh Shibon, Mithela.